Hi, so in this video, I will show you how to post anonymously in a group on Facebook. So first is to launch your Facebook application. And then click on your profile icon, which is located on the top right corner of your screen. Now select Groups. And then tap on Your Groups. And from here, you can select the group that you want to post in anonymously. Under Write Something is the Anonymous Post option. Tap and now you can post anonymously in this group. However, in some groups wherein the Anonymous Post option is not seen or provided, this may mean that the administrators of that group did not enable this feature, meaning you cannot post anonymously. So the anonymous post option is dependent on whether the administrators of that group will enable the feature. And that is all. Thank you and have a great day.